Hey guys, Black Friday is almost here. So if you seriously want to boost your WooCommerce sales this year, you need to get started early. Look, I know running a store with all the required tools for carts, discounts, checkout, shipping, and so on can be quite messy and expensive because you're handling so much billing, right? You spend more time managing the tools and the billing rather than actually selling. That really slows things down. That's why we created the WooCommerce Sell Kit bundle. It's 8 premium plugins in one place: Cart Lift, Dynamic Discount, Checkoutify, Catalog Mode, Advanced Shipping, Product Feed Manager, WPVR, and Marketplace AutoSync. Everything you need to run your store smoothly and boost sales without juggling a million plugins. Here's the exciting part. If you bought all these 8 plugins separately, it would cost you about $1,500. But with SellKit's professional bundle, you get it in only $749. That's over $800 saved. And on top of that, this Black Friday, you're gonna get the entire bundle at only $449. That's over $1,100 saved. Plus, you get unlimited licenses for all your stores. Everything you need in one place without any hassle. There are a lot of stores and agencies who are already using SellKit to run their stores. So if you want to try it out, we are giving a 15-day money-back guarantee. So you can just test this out and see how it feels and decide later. Grab your WooCommerce Sell Kit bundle this Black Friday. This offer is only going to last until December. So good luck and don't miss out.